What is CNC machining? CNC machining is a critical technology in modern manufacturing. How does it achieve high precision and high efficiency part processing? Hello everyone, welcome to our key manufacturer. Today we will take you into the world of CNC machining and uncover its secrets. CNC machining, or Computer Numerical Control machining, is a method that uses computer control technology to direct the movement of machine tools, enabling the processing of parts. A CNC machine consists of several key components, including the control system, servo system, and machine tool body. The control system, based on pre-programmed instructions, drives the servo system to move the machine tool, thereby completing the part processing. Compared to traditional machining, CNC machining offers the following advantages. High precision, computer control achieves precision at the micron level. High efficiency, automated production significantly improves efficiency. High consistency, program-controlled operations ensure product uniformity. High flexibility, quick switching between different production tasks. Complex part machining, capable of processing parts that are difficult to produce with traditional methods. CNC machining is widely applied across various fields such as aerospace, machining aircraft engine blades, FUSELAGE structural components, etc. Automotive manufacturing, processing engine blocks, transmission housings, etc. Mold manufacturing, producing various molds, such as injection molds and stamping dies. Medical devices, manufacturing artificial joints, surgical instruments, etc. A team is equipped with advanced CNC machining equipment and technology, providing customers with high precision, HIGH quality part processing services. Contact us to learn more.